on to Renukaswamy murder case involving actor Darshan and his associates is now back in court today. The prosecution has now asked the court to allow certain undisputed documents to be marked directly as evidence without calling witnesses to confirm them. Now, if approved, this will speed up the trial in this case. Now, since Darshan and the other accused have denied all the charges, the prosecution is now preparing a full witness list in the case. And once the court sets the date for the evidence stage, summons will be issued and formal recording of evidence will also begin. So that's the latest we're getting in the Renukaswamy murder case involving actor Darshan and his associates. Now, the case is back in court today. The prosecution has asked the court to allow certain undisputed documents to be marked directly as evidence. In fact, this would happen without calling witnesses to confirm them. Now, if approved, this could speed up the trial. And since Darshan and all the other accused have denied all the charges, the prosecution is now preparing a full witness list. Now, viewers, once the court sets the date for the evidence stage, summons will be issued and formal recording of evidence will also begin in the case. Now, all this process could speed up the trial for actor Darshan, who is currently in jail in the Renukaswamy murder case. So that's the latest we know as far as the legal proceedings go in the Renukaswamy murder case. The case will be back in the court today, and the prosecution has now asked the court to allow certain undisputed documents to be marked directly as evidence without the need to call witnesses to confirm them. Now, if this proposal gets a green light, it will speed up the trial. That's what is the latest coming in this case. Now, my colleague Mohammed Wajiola is joining me on this with more details. Wajiola, we are given to understand that the prosecution will now ask the court to allow certain undisputed documents to be used as evidence in the case. Help us understand how this could speed up the trial.
Well, yes, the prosecution has asked for these documents, and in this what happens is that it becomes easy for the prosecution to put its case in the entire Darshan matter, because it's been two years, and finally the court will begin the trial in this case, and every witness, every charges will be verified. They will have to prepare a witness list which will be shared with each other, and according to which the trial will begin. Now, it's been 2 years since the incident, and Darshan has been in and out of jail, and all these things that have happened in the last 2 years will now become a part of the trial. And in the coming time, we will get a clarity on whether what transpired there is a murder or not, and what are the charges that will be put against Darshan, because as of now, all the accused have denied all these charges, have not pleaded guilty for them. So the trial will now give us the clarity, and the prosecution wants to mark evidences and place a witness list. So according to that, we will see the trial begin today.
All right, and what has been Darshan's lawyer's response so far to this?
So far, we haven't received any response from Darshan's lawyer. They're all prepared for the court trial today, and only after that we'll get to know today whatever happens in the court today, because today is the day where the charges and the witness list will come out. Dates will be given for the upcoming trials. Basically, the trial will begin today, so we will have to wait and watch how it transpires. It's a long way ahead, but today we'll get a clarity on whether it will be on a speedy trail, or we'll again see things go the way it has been going in the last 1.5 years.